Saudi Arabia is doing is truly remarkable, and it has the potential to transform not only Saudi Arabia's mining sector, but to transform the super region, Central Asia, Saudi Arabia, Middle East generally, and Africa. Very exciting. I'll be back in Riyadh for the Future Minerals Forum, and it'll be interesting to see what has come from the discussions that we're having here, how that evolves over the next 2 to 3 months, and what discussions it leads to at the Future Minerals. No one place can do it alone. It's fantastic to see people coming from different parts of the world, bringing different perspectives, integrating that into a cohesive plan, a cohesive strategic plan, and the tactics to implement that plan is absolutely critical.
I have been involved with the Future Minerals Forum since its inception in 2022. And at the time, His Excellency, the Minister of Industry and Mines, made a call to action for the super region to come together and capitalize on the growing demand for minerals. And I have been privileged to be part of that conversation, and this is a continuation of it. Important contribution that this workshop will do is that it'll make concrete the question of centers of excellence. We have been talking about centers of excellence now for almost 2 years. In this workshop, we hope to make that idea concrete, to enable the Minister to be able to articulate to his guests in January.
So this workshop brings together many experts from around the world across diverse views, diverse cultures, diverse experiences to really identify what it is that needs to be addressed and how it can be addressed. The Centre of Excellence and the conversations that are being had allow humanity to address its biggest challenge and its biggest existential crisis. The minerals industry is part of the solution, it's part of the challenge.
The workshop and its focus on centres of excellence is something which I think is really valid and really required in order to push that forward. And meeting so many people who bring expertise into what we can do to design that in the most effective way to engage with the super region and really start thinking about mineral value chains for the future.